She is climbing a rope. She is climbing a rope. She is holding a coffee cup. She is holding a coffee cup. He is feeding the ducks. He is feeding the ducks. She and friends are discussing. She and friends are discussing. She is shooting the ball. She is shooting the ball. He is speaking very confidently. He is speaking very confidently. She is holding fresh wheat. She is holding fresh wheat. Students are protesting loudly. Students are protesting loudly. They are presenting a poster. They are presenting a poster. We go shopping together. We go shopping together. He has a laptop in hand. He has a laptop in hand. She is carrying a bucket. She is carrying a bucket. Explore the place with a map. Explore the place with a map. He is excited for diploma. He is excited for diploma. He is walking with a bag. He is walking with a bag. 3 friends are ready now. 3 friends are ready now. They are dressed like astronauts. They are dressed like astronauts. She is sitting on the ground. They are holding a winning cup. They are holding a winning cup. She is holding a small goat. She is holding a small goat. He is stretching his neck. He is stretching his neck. She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. They are walking in the park. They are walking in the park. She is cleaning the table. She is cleaning the table. He is fixing the chair. He is fixing the chair. They are laughing together. They are laughing together. She is writing in a notebook. She is writing in a notebook. He is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. They are playing in the yard. They are playing in the yard. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. He is reading a book. He is reading a book.